What is going on, guys? It's Suk and I am back with a brand new video on Super Duper Tech. And in today's video, we're going to be unboxing the Lilac Colour Samsung Galaxy S9. Now this is the first of many videos which are going to be recorded and edited in a new aspect ratio designed to take full advantage of the new smartphone aspect ratios. So let me know what you guys think about this down below in the comment section. Also, if you guys are yet to subscribe, then go ahead and do so, as I of course will be uploading a number of different videos, including my review of this smartphone very soon. But without any further ado, let's hit the titles. So the first thing I want to get into talking about is the pricing and color options for the S9 and the S9 Plus. Now both of these smartphones are available in a lilac purple, coral blue and a midnight black color, and prices start off at around £739 here in the United Kingdom for the S9 and around £869 for the S9 Plus. Now if you guys are in the United States, the S9 is going to set you back around $720, whereas the S9 Plus will set you back around $840. But enough of that, let's open up the box and see what comes included with the S9. So the first thing that comes included with the S9 is of course the documentation and the SIM card removal tool. The first piece of documentation that you receive is a quick start guide giving you a general overview on the buttons and layouts and how to use the device. The second piece of documentation gives you information and details on your Samsung 1-year limited warranty. Next up, you do get a guide showing you regional lock information for your specific location, along with information on how to transfer details from your previous smartphone to your new Galaxy smartphone. The next item that you get included in the box is of course the smartphone itself, but placing that to a side, we can get a closer look at the other accessories included. And the first of these is your Samsung branded adaptive fast charging USB wall plug adapter. Also, using this wall adapter, you can charge up the smartphone to about 50% in around 30 minutes. So if you do need a quick little top up of your device, then you can do so throughout the day. Also included in the box are two USB-C adapters. The first of these is a micro USB to USB-C, along with a Type A USB to USB-C. Now, I'll be completely honest, it is a good thing that Samsung are including these in the box, because you never know when you do need them, especially if you're like myself and have a number of MacBooks lying around. And now it's time to take a closer look at the final three included accessories. So the first of these are your 3.5mm, yes I said it, 3.5mm earphones, which come tuned from AKG. So that of course means that the Samsung Galaxy S9 is keeping its 3.5mm headphone jack. Also, if you guys have noticed, these earphones are the in-ear type, which means that if you want to get the best listening experience possible, that you will have to change out the ear tip so that it fits your ear type perfectly. But luckily enough for us, Samsung have included a larger and smaller pair in the box, not to mention there's already a medium pair that come pre-installed on the earphones themselves. And the last item to be included with the Samsung Galaxy S9 is of course your 1 meter long USB Type-C charge and sync data cable. So then, that has been it for today's video. I do hope you did enjoy it. If you did enjoy it, then be sure to hit that like button, and if you are new around here, then why not subscribe? Also, leave a comment down below as to what you guys think about editing and recording in this new aspect ratio. Also, if you have got any questions, then be sure to leave them down below in the comment section. And once again, thank you guys very much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Have a good one.